Hey, Jonathan here. Welcome to a presentation video about SPICE. Since we're going to be going over LT-SPICE, one of the most widely used SPICE simulation programs used in the electronics industry, I wanted to go over several of the different versions of SPICE since SPICE 1, SPICE 2, and the industry standard since the late 1960s and early 1970s. SPICE is an acronym for Simulation Program with Integrated Circuit Emphasis. It was actually called Cancer before it was called SPICE, and I think that the engineers and the technicians and the programmers that wrote the program had a morbid sense of humor because it was called Cancer, and it stood for Computer Analysis of Nonlinear Circuits Excluding Radiation, before it was changed to SPICE to be Simulation Program with Integrated Circuit Emphasis. SPICE 1, SPICE 2, and the industry standard SPICE have all been programmed at the University of California, Berkeley, in the late 1960s and early 1970s. I want to reiterate that anytime you encounter electronic circuits, it's always best to start off with hand calculations and then use simulation as a tool to assist in the hand calculations, because simulation, like anything else, can be a crutch for us to determine the solution and to do several types of analyses on these circuits. So without a good grasp on mathematics and physics, simulation can be a crutch. So you can do the hand calculations on pencil and paper, pen and paper, or with a tablet such as an iPad or a Android tablet. I recommend whichever tool you find that is most useful to you, whichever is at your disposal, whichever one you're most comfortable with. Each one has its pros and cons. Each one has its advantages and disadvantages. I find that working on the tablet or iPad is a good way to share notes with friends, colleagues, and other classmates. So which SPICE is mostly widely used in the electronics and engineering, electrical engineering, computer science industry? Here we have a table of several types of SPICE or SPICE simulation, from Cadence to Texas Instruments, Synopsys, Spectrum Software, Microcap SPICE, QSPICE, and then lastly Linear Technologies' famous LT-SPICE, which is free. Each of these comes at a different cost or price tag. Cadence is the most widely known and widely used as well. There is a free trial for a period of 30 days, and it may cost up to $100,000 plus several hundred thousands of dollars to use the software. Students may use it for free for about 6 months, a 6 months trial. The rest of these softwares, such as Cadence or PSpice for TI, which I did not learn about until today, there are free versions. Some of these, including HSpice and Microcap SPICE, cost tens of thousands of dollars. Microcap SPICE is now free because the company was closed in 2019. QSpice is a freeware, LT-SPICE is freeware, and LT-SPICE specifically does not have any feature limitations, unlike the latter or previous SPICE versions. So here's a glimpse of what Cadence the appearance of Cadence look and feel is like. Most people know it is used with Windows. You have a circuit schematic on the left side over here, left-hand side over here, and then you have a plot, probe plot on the right-hand side. I recommend this one if you're starting out or if you're an advanced user. PSpice and OrCAD is known as the industry standard. It is costly. and there is the free demo version with several features taken away. But I believe this is the industry standard, and people swear by it. So the next one is PSpice for TI, or TI, known as Texas Instruments, based in Dallas, Texas. And this software is used specifically for TI parts. TI is known for its ICs, integrated circuits, DSPs, digital signal processing chips, ADCs, DACs, analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, etc., etc., going down to specific component level MOSFETs and other parts like that. TI is also known for making its own version of SPICE called TINA, or what is known as, over here, Toolkit for Interactive Network Analysis. And this is one that I familiarized myself with when I was working for International Rectifier several years in the past. Synopsys HSpice is also an expensive package, although the maker of the software swears by several features that are unavailable to other SPICE packages. Microcap SPICE is also one that is lesser known, based in Sunnyvale, California, and unfortunately the company had shut down in 2019, but it is now a free software to download. Version 12, other versions of it, and there are several demo circuits that you can examine and tinker around with to understand how electronics works. Qorvo is a recent company that has made QSpice. QSpice is one of the latest installments of SPICE, in which there are unlimited features, and it is freeware, and it is one that is quickly becoming a new favorite for many engineers and technicians, and in the electrical engineering field and computer engineering field itself. It is a new software, and its features are still being explored. And then lastly, of course, LTSpice is one of our favorites because it is an industry standard in both academia and in the workforce in the industry, because it is not only is it freeware, it's used in the industry to simulate, to run simulations for linear technology parts, and was acquired by Analog Devices in 2017. Here you can see two different screens of the schematic capture and the what you can use with the probe to probe the locations of the net list. And so that is basically the types of SPICE simulations that are out there. There are other tools such as false dot circuit analysis, which runs on Java, but these are mainly the simulation tools used in the electronics industry to run simulations, to have to produce predictions of how circuits will run, whether they're as simple as RC circuits, RL circuits, RLC circuits, passive circuits, active circuits, with op amps, and as intricate and complex as you can think of. So thank you for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the next video.